Hi traders, welcome to Khajane Trade and Trend. Today's video is about Bank Nifty review dated 9th July 21. CPR is an indicator to identify key price points to set up intra-day. CPR and intra-day. What are all the key price points we will see in today's chart? This is the previous day low. This yellow line is the previous day low. Just traders has to observe this and note this one, how these key price points, how market is reacting to these pivot points. Just see this one, previous day low, market could not move above the previous day low. It has the resistance at the previous day low. Just see, throughout the day it is touching and could not move, touching, could not move, touching, little bit move and came back, touching, could not move. This is the power of CPR. Then we will see S1 support 1. See how price is responding and market is respecting this pivot line. That is the power of CPR. See, first support it took at S1, second support, third support, fourth support, could not break, little bit, only little bit and above this one. So entire day market is moved in this range only, around 150 points range only market has moved. Then we will see first few candles. First candle, it has broken S1. Market is supposed to move in the downside. After seeing this candle, it is a trap candle. Beginners and retail traders will trap with this candle. So after formation of big red candle, then it has started small candles. There is no movement in the market. Neither bears or bulls are strong enough to take the market down. Afterwards, little bit move towards the upside up to previous day low only. Then market started on a sideways movement. Today's CPR is a descending CPR, means this is today's CPR, this is yesterday's CPR, this is below, today's CPR is below the yesterday's CPR. It indicates it is a bearish market. And also today's CPR is little wide CPR, around 150 points range is there. So this wide CPR indicates it is a sideways market. Just see today's chart how this statement is confirming. This is the CPR statement, how market is responding and confirming. Bearish to sideways, bearish to sideways market. Today's statement is this one. CPR opening trick. So candles opened above S1. This candle is opened above support 1 and below CPR. It indicates today's is a sideways market. See how beautifully this statement has been formed in CPR. We will come to trade setup. Today is no trade because this statement is not confirming. So market, as per the CPR, this statement, market has to come down. Market could not come down up to here only. It has come down. Then it has pulled back on the upside. So first statement is a failed statement. So there is no trade today. First day of weekly expiry, very low premium. Even though there is a movement, sideways movement after this one from here to here, very thin premium decay is there because of first day of the week. Even non-directional traders also could not make much profit, only around 15 to 20 points. Even if they have taken trade, they could have gained at the end of the day. Just see the MACD. MACD is bearish MACD. So as per the CPR also, it is a bearish market. There is a crossover, bullish crossover in the bearish market. This means it is a very weak trend. Though it is a bullish crossover, the market is very uh, weak. If you see the RSI, little bit bearishness and then sideways, this also confirms our CPR statement. That's why I am always telling CPR is very powerful. If you see the 200 days moving average, candles are below the 200 days moving average only. It also indicates it is a bearish to sideways market. So CPR confirms today's statement. Statement. Having only little knowledge about the CPR, you can take up good trade setups. So keep your trading as simple as possible. We are conducting 2 days workshop on Saturdays and Sunday to learn and earn. Thank you.